Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to automate compliance management using Microsoft Azure. For the demo, we'll build a proof of concept for POPIA compliance using Microsoft Azure. POPIA stands for the Protection of Personal Information Act, South Africa's key privacy law. Our goal is to automate and demonstrate compliance using Azure tools such as Microsoft Purview, Azure Storage, Defender for Cloud, and Logic Apps. Let's get started. Step 1. Create an Azure account. If you don't already have an Azure account, head to portalazure.com, sign in with a Microsoft account, or create one. New accounts usually come with free credits, which are great for testing. I already have one, so I am using the same. Step 2. Create a resource group. A resource group is like a folder for your Azure services. In the portal, click Create a Resource, search for Resource Group, and click Create. Name it as per your choice. Choose the region you want to deploy it to, then click Review plus Create, and finally Create. Step 3. Create a Microsoft Purview account. Next, we'll use Microsoft Purview to scan and classify personal data. Click Create a Resource, search for Microsoft Purview, and click Create. Fill in, name it as per your choice. Choose the region you want to deploy it to. Choose the resource group that we created before, then click on Review plus Create, and wait for it to deploy. Step 4a. Create Blob storage. We need a storage location for our data. Create a new storage account with an appropriate name. Choose the region you want to deploy it to. Choose the resource group that we created before. After deployment, go to the storage account, Containers, click plus Container, name it Personal Docs, and set it to private. Step 4b. Upload sample personal data. Now upload a sample CSV or Excel file containing personal data like names and emails to this container. Step 5. Connect Blob storage to Purview. Next, open Purview Studio from your Purview resource. Go to Data Map, Register, choose Azure Blob Storage. Let's name it. Select the correct subscription and the storage account you created. Click Register. Step 6. Scan and classify the data. In Purview Studio, run a scan on your registered storage. Use default settings and make sure classification is enabled. After a few minutes, you will see classifications like email, ID numbers, and names. Step 7. Enable Microsoft Information Protection. Let's label this data. Go to compliance.microsoft.com, Information Protection, Labels, create a label, name it appropriately, description. This data includes personal information protected under POPIA. Optionally, enable encryption or mark as sensitive. Then, publish this label to all users. Purview can now auto-apply this label to sensitive content. Step 8. Unlabeled document in Word file. To see the demo for an unlabeled file, go to Word, open an unlabeled document. You will see the warning message at the top saying, your organization requires you to label this document before saving. This shows that the compliance is being enforced within the organization. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Azure privacy and security tutorials. See you in the next video.